Good morning, students. Welcome back to your new class of English first paper. You have completed your two chapters in the first flight, A Letter to God and Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Today I am going to start your poem 1, poetry 1, in the same book, The First Flight. The name of the poetry is Dust of Snow, means particles of snow, composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost. Before starting our poetry, I am going to discuss about a versatile poet, Robert Frost. He was an American poet. Okay, but he started initially he started his poetry for publishing in England before publishing in America. Before publishing in America. Okay, students, you want to know that Robert Frost is a poet who always paid attention on some specific points of the individual life. For example, he composed the poetry in rural life versus urban life. He composed the poetry on the basis of individuality characteristics. He composed his poetry especially on the features of nature. Okay, he was renowned, well expert to write down his poetry in nature's views. He wrote his poetry, okay, on nature, rural life versus urban life, okay, individual characteristic, okay. Next, you can say isolation part. Okay, the lonely pictures, the lonely figures he just drawn in his poetry. After explaining the features of Robert Frost, we just are coming towards these 8 lines, poetic lines are described in this chapter. This is very short chapter, simple chapter and very interesting chapter. Robert Frost, as I told you before that Robert Frost pays attention on nature, rural life versus urban life, individual characteristics, especially nature, natural landscape he always describes. In these 8 lines, the poetry depicts, the poet wants to say that how some type of small or little incidents of life may change the life of a person who is very sad, who is depressed after seeing the condition of a whole world. Okay, and the poet wants to commit suicide, but a small incident can change the life of a poet. That's why the beginning of the lines here describes what the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Okay, here is a word, hemlock tree and crow, both are important. Okay, crow Crow is not a symbolic state by which we can say it's a symbol of goodness. Crow considers a symbol of death and fear. Okay, crow is not a symbol of happiness. But in this poetry, crow is a symbol. Crow is a dedicatory element towards happiness. It creates happiness towards poet. Poet says that the way a crow swooped down on me. The crow is sitting on hemlock tree. Okay, hemlock tree is a very poisonous tree and it doesn't consider a symbol of goodness. Poisonous tree, tree of toxicity. That's why poet uses these two elements here, crow and hemlock tree, opposite element he uses. Okay, he doesn't take some other examples of tree like oak, maple and pine tree. He just uses crow, scary crow, S-C-A-R-Y, scary crow, hemlock tree, which is very poisonous tree. And the combination of these two things, how these two things creates a great combination in this poetry. The way a crow swooped down on me, the crow who is sitting on hemlock tree, how it creates, how it is there to shook the branches of a tree so that the small particles of snow are falling on the earth, especially falling on Robert Frost, falling on the poet. Means the tender, the soft touches of particles of snow can change the sad mood of the poet who was depressed before falling the tender touch. Before feeling the tender touch of snow particles, the poet felt great sadness. He was not good in his mood. Okay, he wanted to commit suicide, but when he realized that, when he noticed the branches of hemlock tree which were full of, covered with snow particles, and he saw the crow, okay, who was sitting on the branches of tree, how crow shakes down the branches of tree, and due to this the particle of snow, okay, fall from hemlock tree on Robert Frost. Next, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued, means regret. Okay, these 4 lines you understood. The way a crow means a small incident of falling the snow changes the mood of poet only due to scary crow. The dust of snow from a hemlock tree, and the tree which was considered poisonous, on that tree the crow was sitting. Due to the help of crow who shakes the branches of tree, the particle of snow fall on to Robert Frost. Now the second stanza of this poetry, has given my heart a change of mood, means the falling of snow, the falling of particles of snow given a huge change, given a large, tremendous change in the mood of poet. Why? Because before falling, the poet thought to commit suicide. The poet was distressed. Okay, he doesn't like the beauty of the world. He doesn't like the natural landscape where he was sitting. And now after this small incident, a huge change occurred, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued, means the day which I felt a bad day for me, a regret for me. Okay, now I feel The falling of snow saved, okay, saved the rest of the part of day, full of energy, full of relaxation, full of refreshment. Now I got relaxed. Now I got comfortable. Okay, I'm not thinking about to die. Now I think, now I can feel the beauty of the world, the beauty of nature where I'm sitting. Only the reason, scary crow changed the life of a poet. Okay, students, now I explained these 8 lines of poetry. It's very short poetry. Okay, now in this video I can't share the question answers and theme and all the things which are related with this, because now you are getting the concept. I hope you got understand the story, the depiction of poetry, how, what and why, means reason of changing the mood. Okay, what are the main things? Crow, Hamlet tree. Okay, these are the main parts of these lines. Robert Frost, poet. I dictated some points about Robert Frost. He was an American poet, but initially, means in beginning, he started his poetry for publishing in England before publishing in America. He wrote his poetry on nature, rural life versus urban life, individual characteristics. Okay, I hope you got everything, and in next video I will discuss about the question answers, about the notes of this chapter. Thank you very much.